Yay, small victory. We're done on the passenger side. The firewall toe board patch panel complete, welded in. The inner outer rocker assembly complete with the enhanced dimple dyed brace, all welded in complete. The inner quarter panel, patch panel, all welded in true. Everything snug, fitted, aligned with the door, gapped, you name it. So now we can attack the driver's side. But there's a few lessons learned from this side that I'm going to apply to the other. We'll take you around and shoot through the passenger side, and we'll talk from there. Okay, you're always learning and you're always applying knowledge. So this restoration process is a bit of investigate, analyze, and then plan accordingly. And then you move forward. You reevaluate, you investigate, you analyze, you come up with a plan, and you move forward. You know, it's this creative problem-solving process that you're going through. You're always applying knowledge and experience. So what have I learned from the passenger side? Well, what did I fight? By taking out both inner and outer rocker panels at the same time, I was never confident in terms of the elevation, and I was fighting it a bit. So I'm going to do it a little differently on this side. First order of business is going to remove the inner quarter panel and the inner rocker and flange at the toe board section. From the seat riser back, I'm going to leave the inner rocker completely welded in to the floor, the back floor, and the seat riser. I'm not going to touch it. I am going to remove the outer rocker from the inner, but I'm going to leave that inner intact. Great reference point, good structural rigidity, and it doesn't impede me from cleaning up anything, fixing that inner quarter panel, fixing the rusted toe board firewall, and taking and addressing that flange. When I have the outer rocker fully assembled with that enhanced brace, and I can get some initial fitment to that inner rocker, I can even weld in the outer rocker to the A-pillar because there'll be no inner in its way. I can weld it all in place there, and even tack it to the new quarter panel before removing the inner rocker. And then I can remove the inner rocker completely along with the toe board and have free access to the outer rocker to complete it. I think that will speed things up considerably. That's the plan of attack, applying the lessons learned from the passenger side, and I think it should go a heck of a lot quicker. Stay tuned. I'll post some updates, but I just wanted to share sort of that summary, recap, lessons learned, and hopefully it's benefit to somebody who's about to embark on the same sort of thing. Cheers for now.